Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a private client can update their profile. To do so, we need to navigate towards the profile from the side menu. Click on this profile. It will navigate us to the profile page. Over here, you can make changes or you can update your profile, such as your personal information, where you can update the first name, last name, email address, phone number, and the cell number. Then we have the address where you provide in the address details. Then we have client details, basically the client type, the service of interest, and also the reasons for appraisal that is locked. You can't update that. Then we have an option where you can upload a supporting document. And lastly, we can change password. If you want to feel like I want to change my current password, so I can change it from over here. And if you want to change any of these details, such as you have to just click on and enter whatever you want to change and just click on save changes and the updated changes will be seen. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.